Good morning YouTube, we are back and I done my normal. You're probably fed up with me saying this. Got stressed out on the lead up to culture shock. Didn't film anything since the car got painted because everything just started going tits up. But look at that for a difference. So the car's done, well done, no car's ever done. I've got quite a few changes on the go. So biggest change, obviously the car's now black. It's nothing fancy, it is literally just 2K boring black. Because we're planning to drift the car, we didn't want to go nuts with any kind of like fancy colours or fancy pearls. It's more literally just for the sake of, everyone knows when you're learning you brake stuff, even pros wreck bumpers, wreck side skirts, it happens. So we just wanted it in the kind of sense of, if that does happen, we crash it, a bumper breaks or something is repainted, it's just nice and easy. It's no, oh how much peril did we put in it, blah blah blah. It's just get the 2K black out, respray it, job's done. Another noticeable change, we repolished the lips. So I can't remember if I actually went over it in a video before, or we also done the calipers teal. I think they look a lot better than the white, to be fair. The funny thing with the lips being polished now is the last time I tried to do it, this time it was only an extra 2 steps from what I'd done the last time. So last time I sanded them up to 1200 and then tried to polish and it didn't polish, and I took a huff and I sanded them all to 1200 and just left them brushed. Whereas this time we sanded them up to 1200 and then went 1500, then 3000, and then hit them with a heavy cut polish and then a finishing polish. They've came up quite well. The rear lips are still pitted, so we can still be doing with re-lipping the wheels. Now that the car's black, I weirdly like them with the centre caps in, which was something I always hated, which is another difference. We've put the centre caps in, we got hardware, got them mounted up. What else have we done different? Chrome handles, because chrome handles are gangster, and anyone that declines that, take a hike. Ties in really nicely with the clear tails, the polished lips, and obviously another difference we've got, we just threw some stickers on. They're all cut from chrome. Kev from KW Customs sorted that out very last minute. He actually pulled through mega last week, so it's probably more thanks to Kev than anyone else that the car actually made it to the show, because I was stressed, I was in a huff. As far as I was planning, these one bikes, the car was actually not going to the show, and Kev just kept saying, get it done, get it done, get it done. So Kevin, thank you. It just looks so good. So obviously with how quickly we done the paint job, I mean it was what, prepped in about 4 hours over the course of a few nights, and then literally flung in the booth, masked up, hit, took away, built up. It came out not too bad. There was 3 runs. We tried to fix one and actually ended up burning through the paint on the bumper, so Natalie sent over her logo, and it's actually under this corner, you can't see it, so that worked out. So we've got Natalie's logo on both sides of the bumper, Accelera, because they are the most budget friendly half decent tyre, and I always seem to run Acceleras. Captain England's logo, Kev's, Ryan, because you know Ryan's always good with the reels and the photos, SSR's, Vertex, because it's Vertex kit, Vertex steering wheel, Vertex knob, airlift because, well, it's on airlift suspension. But the plan is going to be, after gravity, the airlift's coming off it. I think we're going to keep the management, use the management to put my Fiesta on the ground, and we'll throw this on some BCs. It's not going to be ridiculously low, heavy static. It's going to be kind of probably set where my drive height is just now, and then we'll kind of try and get them set up a bit more for purpose drifting. And that's not to say you can't drift on your ride. I take it to plenty of private roads just now and it handles perfectly fine on the airlift. It's more just the case the airlift struts for the IS platform have been discontinued, so I don't want a chance going to a drift day, snapping an airlift strut and not being able to get a replacement. It's so much easier to get replacement parts for BCs. So put it on BCs. Again, this is literally just preventative cause. I am taking it in my head. I know I could wreck this, so I just want it to be as easy to fix as possible. So while I've got my good lady out here taking pictures, she's some woman, it's raining. You've probably seen that from my glasses being covered, but I'm going to try and take it to another location. I'll maybe try and make a wee TikTok or something. Maybe even try and throw in a bit of different somewhere. So that's the post journey and photo shoot wash done, and she's tucked back up in the unit. It looks so much better with the polished lips again. I'm not overly sure what the next steps with the car are going to be. I know I want to get rid of the ambers out of the headlights, so that could be a video showing you how to split the headlights down and stuff. Other things, I want to get the dual caliper set up, dialed in, fitted. I have been pondering, so there's a company, YDC shop, made a really good looking short shifter for the stock box, and with the engine that's going in the car, I'm planning to still be using the stock box. So we might run one of them. They also do a really nice kind of matching hydro, so you see where this is going. This could work out very well, but we'll figure something out. We've also still got the Cruise Sport grille to get fitted to the Fiesta, and to be honest, that could be doing me a bit of loving as well. So next video we will get it ready for its next outing, which I think its next outing is really going to be Gravity. Maybe some chav meets here and there between, but we'll see what happens. So bit of a short one, obviously, because I didn't film doing anything that I should have filmed doing, but it's just so that YouTube can get a look at the colour, because as you see, the last we left off it was just black and white. So normal YouTube stuff, give it a like, comment, subscribe, all that stuff, and we'll see you in the next one.